Hello. This time we will briefly look at the DbContext. The DbContext class is used for all interactions with the database. It will manage all kinds of things for us, like connections to the database, transactions, mapping between objects and tables, and much more, which is outside the scope of this series. Now let's have a look at the code. First, we need a class which derives from the DbContext class. So I create a new class here. I can call it whatever, for example, bookstore context or just app context, like this. My class must then inherit from DbContext. And then here I override the onConfiguring method. Inside I specify that I want to use SQLite. And I must define a connection string here. I am just going to hardcode the connection string here directly. This is good enough for our needs. However, for testing purposes, you would inject the DbContext options builder through the constructor. And in real applications, the connection string is usually stored in some configuration file. We, however, won't need that. This approach here is just fine to get started. The connection string needs to define a data source, which for SQLite is just a file with a suffix of db, like this, and the name of the file can be anything. And this is enough setup for now. So when we start adding entities to our application and want corresponding tables, we will define db sets. It is also here we will do a bit of extra configuration when needed. We will see both in a later video. So for now, thanks for watching.